Okay, good morning. Today I will like to discuss about role of data analyst. The next one is the steps involved into the data analytics. The first of all, we have to discuss about role of data analyst. Normally, whenever we entering into the software industry, everyone thinks about as a software developer, means as a coding part, as a programmer role only we are having into the software industry. But in software industry, different modules, different roles will be there. Maybe some people they are programming as a software developer. Some people they are doing the architecture design part. Some people they are doing the testing part as a manual tester, automation tester. Then next, the major role will be placed into the use large amount of project. The major role will be the data analyst. Why? Because whenever we are collecting the data from the customer end, means client end, means based upon the data, as a data analyst first understand what are the basic requirements, what are the content, what are the motto, what are the aim, what are the object of the project. Then based upon that scenario, then next they can create one analysis report. Real time example. If example we are planning to start one supermarket. In that supermarket, if example we are invested 1,000 rupees in chocolates. Then next, after 1 month, again we are invested into the 10,000 rupees in the chocolate. After 1 year, if example my plan is I am planning to increase my business, can I go with investment within the chocolate or otherwise the biscuit? Means here the selling rate we need to identify. Based upon the selling rate, means I need to collect the historical data, the previous data, the current data. Based upon 3 cycles of data, I can create one analysis report. Based upon the analysis report, that value I can improve, means I can apply into my business may be improved. Means why? Because I can create a predicted value. Here the first data analyst to improve the decision making skills. The next one is the better understanding services. The next better customer services. The next one is the efficient operation. The next one is the efficient marketing. 4 parameters clearly understand, thoroughly go through this part, then only we can apply the data analytical role. The next one is the steps involved into the as a data analytics. The first and foremost part, we need to understand the problem. If example we need to start with any project, first we need to understand, otherwise we need to discuss between our team members what are the domain, otherwise what are the problem, what are the title, normally we can call it. Based upon that, we need to understand the problem. First we can understand the problem, then whatever the problem will be there, based upon that problem, we need to collect the data. If example my problem is financial sector, if example my client is ICICI Bank client, ICICI Bank, different products will be there. Saving account to current account, then next to some insurance sector accounts will be there. My customer ICICI Bank, the clearly specify that here some data will be there, the 10 years data will be there. Within the 10 years data, you can create 5 years, last 5 years data you can take. Saving account information, you can create analysis report. You can create one analysis report. Means here based upon the customer, based upon my client requirement, I can understand the problem. I can collect the data from here my client. Normally, whenever we are requiring the data, maybe that is the raw data. Means the data will be clumsy data. Maybe that is not data cleaning, clumsy data. Then after the data collection, I need to apply the data cleaning process. Normally we can call it this is the data pre-processing part, data preparation part. Within the data, I can clear the data. Clear the data means noise data removal. If any duplications will be there, or else if any repetition will be there, or else if any noise data will be there, if any empty spaces will be there, I can remove the data. This part, finally we can get, after completion of the data cleaning, finally we can get the data is the very supervised data. Normally we can call it the quality data. After we are getting the quality data, based upon my requirement, based upon my problem, I can create one analysis report. Finally, I can create an analysis report. That is normally we can call it the output. Here as a data analyst, finally output means can create different line flow. Normally we can create visualization chart. Here the data will be there. The data we can represent to the digital annihilation report. This is the steps involved into the data analytics.